bridge. Boats sail on the rivers, and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. By Christina Rossetti. Balbharati, Standard 2, Unit 1.4, Story Time, Yash and Moti. Yash was happy. His mother bought him new shoes. He woke up early in the morning. He went out to look at his new shoes. "Oh no," he cried. "There is only one shoe here. Where is my other shoe?" He looked everywhere. He couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Just then, Moti came and started wagging his tail. He barked, "Bow wow!" Yash looked at Moti. "Moti, have you seen my shoe?" "Bow wow!" Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Yash followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. A big fat rat had carried it there. Yash picked it up. "Thank God," he said. "The rat has not nibbled my shoe. It is in good condition." "Bow wow," Moti agreed. "Thank you, Moti," said Yash. Balbharati, Standard 2, Unit 1.6, I Love Little Pussy. I love little pussy. Her coat is so warm. And if I don't hurt her, she'll do me no harm. So I'll not pull her tail nor drive her away. But Pussy and I very gently will play. I'll sit by the fire and give her some food. And Pussy will love me as I am gentle and good. I love my little pussy very much. Standard 2, Balbharati, Unit 2.1, Chameleons. Chameleons are seldom seen. They are red. They are orange. Then they are green. They are one of nature's strangest sights. Their colors change like traffic lights. By Colin West.
Unit 2.4 Story Time. Unity is Strength. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. One day, he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into 2.
It's so easy,
said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again. But the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken.
a single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other, and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall,
said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. This time, the brothers learnt a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. Unit 2.6 Friends Forever. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other gold. A circle is round, it has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. Across the land, across the sea, friends forever we'll always be. Unit 2.9 Writing Skills. The Elephant and the Friends. A lone elephant wandered in the forest looking for friends. He met a monkey and asked, "Will you be my friend? You are too big and cannot swing on trees as I do, so I cannot be your friend," said the monkey. The elephant then met a rabbit and asked him if he could be his friend. "You are too big to fit inside my burrow. You cannot be my friend," replied the rabbit. The elephant asked a fox, and he got the same reply, that he was too big. The next day, all the animals were running in fear. The elephant stopped a bear and asked what was happening, and was told that a tiger has been attacking all the animals. The elephant wanted to save the other weak animals. He went to the tiger and said, "Please, sir, leave my friends alone." The tiger did not listen. Seeing no other way to solve the problem, the elephant kicked the tiger and scared it away. The elephant then went back to the other animals and told them what happened. After listening to the elephant, the animals agreed together and said, "You are just the right size to be our friend." Moral: friends come in all shapes and sizes.
Do remember to like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on all of the latest videos. Please let us know in the comment section below what other lessons you would like us to make. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.